All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way and the fastest way to create invoices. Okay, so this is an all-in-one platform where you can create invoices, you can track your customers, you can update payments when they pay, when they make part payment, you can still update it on this platform, and then the invoice shows everything, that it shows the previous transactions and the ones that are due and all of that. So it is very easy to create, and you don't necessarily need to employ someone to handle this for you, because with this platform you do everything in the same place and it's quite fast and easy. Okay, and the good thing is that you can also send to your clients by email from this same platform. It's just a click and you see an automated message that is already there. You now just send it to the client. So you can add your clients, all your clients in one place. But before I do that, if you run a business in Abuja, or your business is not based in Abuja, but you have clients in Abuja, then there is one thing I will advise that you do that will help you increase your visibility, and that is listing your business on directory websites. Okay, so our team at Cyprus Technologies have come up with a directory website where you just go there, you create an account, and you list your business, such that when people search for keywords that relates to your business or your business name on Google, your business will show up on that directory. They will click and then they will see your contact details, that is your phone number, your email address, your business address, all in one place, so they can reach out to you easily. So listing your business on directories like this helps you increase your visibility. So there's a link in the description of this video where you can click and list your business on businessinAbuja.com.ng. That is the directory. Okay, other businesses have been listed there, so click on that link and add your business there and increase your business visibility. All right, so I'm going into my laptop now to show you how to create invoice, how you can easily create invoices on this platform. So the platform we are using is called Zoho. As you can see, this website here, zoho.com here. So you just click this, click the link in the description of this video to get to this website, or you can simply come to your browser and type zoho.com. So you sign up. I'll sign in with Google. Sign up with Google. Can insert your email, your password there. You sign up. So I'll sign in with Google. So continue. So you insert your name, last name. So this can be your personal name. Okay, you can leave it to use your personal name then. So you create account. So our account has been created. So as you can see, you can do quite a number of things on this platform. Okay, so many things. But in this case, we are just creating invoice. Okay, as you can see, you can use it for emails, you can use it for as a content, customer relationship management, CRM. You can use it for all of these features you see here. So, but we are not using it for any of this for now. We just want to create an invoice. Okay, so I'll just scroll down and then go to invoices. You can see invoice here. So as you can see, this is free. So you click on try now. So here I'll now click on access Zoho Invoice. So here you insert the name of your organization's name. I want to use Green Link Agro Network. You select your industry here. So my industry is agriculture. Organization's location, you choose the address, Nigeria. So these settings, you are going to do it just once. Okay, Abuja FCT. Then your currency, This is currency is Nigeria because it's a Naira because I've selected Nigeria here. So English, the time zone, this. And this one is just a kind of survey question. So you can leave it and then click on get started. Right, so this is the environment here. This is your dashboard here. So your invoice format, you can leave it on standard. You can select any of these. Look at the preview here. Look at the preview. But for me, I like this standard. It's very okay for me. Then here you upload your logo because the logo is going to appear on the invoice. So just click and upload your logo from your system. So my logo is uploaded there. You can leave the colors there and then you save. So you're trying to set up your invoice now. So you save and proceed. So now, how do you want to receive payments? Cash, online payment gateway. So this is another option now. You can integrate this invoice platform with payment gateways. So you can receive payment from Stripe or PayPal or these other ones listed here. But if you prefer cash, then you now click on cash. This cash actually involves transfers as well. People transfer directly to your account and then you effect it on this platform. Okay, so I'll choose cash, but if you want to integrate it with a payment platform, you can choose online there. Okay, and then you save and proceed. You got these additional modules that you may want to use. So yeah, I will add this recurring invoice. If you want credit note, debit note, payment links, you add it there. So I'm going to leave it this way and then I'll click on start invoicing. So yeah, you are good to go. You can jump straight into creating an invoice or configure other settings like tax rates and payment gateways. Yeah, I've mentioned that earlier. So now click on create invoice. But then let me show you something here. Or let me cancel this for now. I'll come back to this place. So when you come here, you will see that you have customers. So you can click here and add customers. So when you add them here, you are able to select them anytime you are creating an invoice. You just click on the drop down and select the particular customer you are creating that invoice for. Then you now set up the invoice and send to them. So you can click on add here, or you simply go ahead and click on create invoice. All right, so let's go straight to create invoice. So new invoice. If you want to create a recurring invoice, you select here. So new invoice. So the customer name, this is where you select and you click and select the customer. That is if you have added them already. But in this case, we have not added any customer. So we are going to click on new customer. So here I will add the person's details. So maybe Mr. Joyce. What's his company name? Natjo Limited. I'll put it there. The currency is 9 Naira. We have already chosen that. Then the email, I'll put the email here. Put the email. You can put the phone number. All of these. You can also, if there is any tax rate you want to set, you do it there. So due on receipt, yeah. So you can select the days here. Due ending of the month, due ending of next month, due in 60 days. So you can set any date that you want there. So I'm going to leave it on due on receipt. That is the date that the date you are creating this invoice. Then you can add address and all of this. add the details you want to add about the customer. So when you are done adding the details, you now click on save. So invalid email address, yeah, I did not complete this .com. So we're adding it as a business. You can add as individual as well. Okay. So you now save. Right, this content has been saved. So you can always come here to select Nat Geo Limited anytime you want to create an invoice for them. Okay. So you see the invoice number will generate automatically. This is the first one. So you are seeing one here. When you create another invoice, you are going to see 002, and that is how it will continue. Okay, so the invoice date is here, and that is the due date as well. If you want to change the due date, you can change it here too. So the due date maybe is going to be due in 5 days. I can select it here. So here you are going to add the items. So maybe this we are going to supply 500 bags of rice. We are going to supply quantity 500. Or this I may just supply of rice, supply of Nigerian made rice. So supply of Nigerian made rice. So this is 500 bags at rate. What is the rate? Maybe we are saying 50,000. So 50,000 per bag. So once we put it there, it will just calculate by itself. So, and that is why I love this platform. Some people create invoice on Canva. You can do it on Canva as well, but Canva is not automated like this. So if you do it on Canva, you have to download and send, and the design itself is somehow. So this platform, Zoho, is the best. So if you want to add taxes, you can click here, new tax. You put it there, you insert it there, and then if you want to add another item, this would be a row. So you click on add new row here. You now add another item, maybe supply beans. So you have this, you can have the quantity here 30. The price is maybe 40,000. You put in the price here, the amount calculates there. And so that's how you add items. That's how you add items there. So if you click on this summary, hide summary here, if you click on this show total summary, you will see that you can give discount. So you can decide to give discount maybe 10%. It will deduct by itself and then give you a new total. Or you can decide to add a specific amount. So you change it to Naira and then you add your discount. You maybe are giving them discount of 200,000. You just put in the amount there. So once you click outside, it will deduct from here itself. So you can use percentage, you can use the actual figure. So I can give discount of 5% and it calculates and deducts. So shipping charges, if you want to also do that, the amount spent on shipping the goods, if you want to add, you add there. All right, so since we are using cash, we are not using payment links. You remember I told you that since we are using cash, we are going to use this space here, this customer note here, to insert the account details. So you can simply come here and say payment details, enter. So you now put your bank account, bank number, you put bank name, account number, account name. So you already put all of this here. So bank name, maybe you put it there. The account number, You put it there, the account name, it there, and then thanks for choosing us. Thanks for choosing us. So if you want to use these same account details in subsequent invoices we are going to create, okay, you just click on this. Use this in future for all invoices of all customers, so that you will not need to be adding this anytime you are creating an invoice. So you tick this, and then you now continue. If you want to add terms and conditions, you can add here, payment gateway, all of that. So you can add it there. So this I receive payment, if you click on this, it means it will now tick this as payment, as a payment that you have received. So you're going to leave that, and then you will save. So you can save as draft, or you can save and send. So we are going to save this and send straight to our client. So this invoice has been created. So you can see this is our client here. This is the email. So Zoho has generated an auto email here. Thanks for choosing this. Thanks for your business. Your invoice can be viewed, printed and downloaded as PDF from the link below. You can also choose to pay online. So you can edit this. You can edit this and you put in anything you want to put there. You can actually edit this, because this is the text the person is going to receive. This is the text they are going to receive. So sometimes you want to add maybe something else, just an information about the invoice. You can add it there. So they have the details here. The due date is there, and everything is there. So regards, Green Agro Limited, your name there. So this is the invoice here. You can see that the PDF version of it is attached to the email automatically. So here I'll now click on send. So you see your invoice has been sent. So as you can see, this is our payment. This is our invoice here. This is the invoice. So payment details, as you can see, everything is here. So of course we have sent this. So, and this is other invoices. So if you come to customers here, you will see that we have only one client so far, only one customer here so far. And then on under items, we don't have any items saved here. So but if you have items that you maybe you have products or services that you render every now and then, you can just come here and add it, so that when you are creating an invoice, you will not need to be adding them all the time. Okay, you just click select, and then you continue. So you can add goods, services here. So maybe let's say we are talking about we sell rice. So Nigeria made rice. So we sell, our units is in kg. So price 40,000 naira. Description not necessary. Description is not necessary, but you can put something there. Then you save this. This is one item. If you want to add tax, you can add there. So that's one item. We can still add another one and add another one. So when you want to create invoice, now when you come to invoice, of course we see that this is the invoice that we just created now. This is it. So you are adding a new invoice now. Maybe you are sending it to a new customer. You click on new customer, add the second one. If you are sending it still to this person, you just select the person and then you continue. But that item I just saved there. You can come here and then you select the item. Look at the 40,000 naira Nigerian made rice. You click here and then it comes here, everything shows here. So you just change the quantity. Maybe the person is going with 5, just change the quantity to 5 and you see everything shows there. So you do that and then you save and you send. So but when you come back to this invoicing here, when somebody pays money, when you receive money from someone, you come back to the invoice here and you record payment. So maybe this person paid everything here, paid everything. You will just say this amount has been paid. No, if you want to record bank charges, we record it there. Cash is been paid, cash. Date received, maybe we received it today. Any note? No. So you can email this person saying thank you for the payment, and this is the email here. So you save as paid. Of course, if it's a transfer, you can change this to transfer. This is cash, you leave it at cash. Okay, and then you click on save as paid. So the payment from the customer has been recorded. So you see, this is what is showing on your this thing now. This is what is showing on your record now, invoice now. You see paid. It's showing paid here. And then when you come down here, you see that you have 0 balance. This has been cleared. Okay. So, but assuming the person paid part of the money and the other one is remaining, you will see the amount he has paid here in red, and then you now see the balance that is remaining here. So another thing is you can download this, you can print it, or you can send the invoice, the soft copy, just like we did some minutes ago, and all of that. If you have any question, if you are confused about anything, anywhere, just ask the question in the comment section, and I will do my best to respond to that. So if you love this content, if you like this content, okay, if you like videos like this, please go ahead and click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification button so that anytime we upload a new video, you will be notified. We create videos to help you grow your businesses on the internet, increase your visibility, gain more customers, and make more money. Okay, so if that is what you want, you like, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel by all means. All right, so if you have any question, please put it in the comment section and I'll be glad to respond to you. All right, thank you for staying to the end of this video, and I will see you in the next one.